Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys talkback stop setting, how to stop talkback in Tecno mobile. Friends, you have own talkback in your device and you don't know how to stop talkback in Tecno mobiles. So don't worry friends, I will show you today how to use talkback setting, how to stop talkback. So friends, one by one we will talk about. So friends, first of all we will lock screen, and your phone screen is locked. How to unlock phone? So friends, if you try to unlock your phone with one finger, you cannot unlock your device. Use your two finger, screen will or your phone will unlock. Again use your two finger, then friends you can use your device. And if you use one finger, you cannot swipe here. So friends, use your two finger and open your phone setting with double tap. One tap, double tap. After double tap friends, click here my phone setting and use your two finger, then you can use talkback setting. And you want to on any phone setting friends, double tap here, you can use hotspot setting. You want to change your hotspot setting, you can change. Friends, click here back button, double tap, double tap. So like that friends, you can use talkback setting in Tecno mobiles. Open your phone special function setting, double tap here. Friends, click here game mode setting. Again use your two finger. Last option, click here accessibility setting. Double tap. Click here phone talkback setting. Double tap. Use talkback option. Double tap. Stop button setting. And press double tap here. Talkback will stop. And friends, now you can use your device without talkback setting. You can use your phone screen one finger. You can unlock your device with one finger. Friends, you can check one finger, if we swipe, phone will unlock. So like that friends, we can stop talkback setting in Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching.